The limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1/3 times 1.2. Oh, okay, so this is what we have. We have ourselves exponential growth. So we have ourselves something in the form a times b to the x. Now, anything that is in that form where I have growth here, where b is greater than 1, is always going to look like this on a coordinate plane. Let me get a different color, give or take. Now, what I don't see here is I'm not adding or subtracting anything. So I'm going to 0 as I move to the left and positive infinity as I move to the right. What do they want? They want me to move to the left. So as I move to the left, I flatten out at 0. Nothing crazy there. Just because that's a 1/3 doesn't mean anything. The only thing that would change this is if I add or subtract a number here. That would shift it up or shift it down. But shifting it left or right makes absolutely no difference because I would still end up at 0 all the way to the left.